Hi friends, I want to show you how to clean your air filter vents. Look at how dirty this vent is. What I'm going to do is take my vacuum cleaner and take the back suction pipe, pull it out and start cleaning like this. I have a small stool on, I've climbed on it and look at how I'm cleaning it. All you need is the vacuum cleaner for a quick clean. It does a good job. See, this is what you do. You can see some debris and dirt falling off also, but most of it is suctioned in. This is what you do for all those blades in there, and it becomes pretty clean. Once you have vacuumed all of it, you see I have done 2 parts now. Half of it is done. I continue to vacuum, but once I finished doing it, what I did, I took the entire cover off, soaked it in water in a bathtub for like 10 minutes and clean it off with a nice strong brush. If you want, you can add a few drops of dishwashing liquid onto the tub. That way it loosens the grime faster. So all you need to do is take a nice brush and clean off the grill, and look at how beautiful this has become. You can see the difference. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please post a comment.